Welcome to this video. Today we'll guide you through on how to download a TikTok video. So you may want to watch some TikTok videos offline and save it to your gallery. So the way to do this is go to your app library and search for TikTok, open up a TikTok, and let's say I want to download this video. If you want to download a video, what you need to do is tap on the send to button found on the right side. That is the button with an arrow sign. And once this is opened, on the bottom side, you'll see an option to download and tap on the download button. As you can see, our video is downloading. So you can do this both for your own videos and other videos as well. And this is how you download videos. So to check if it's downloaded, we close this, go to our files, and here it is. Our video has been downloaded. If this was helpful, please consider subscribing and leaving us a like. It really helps us out. See you next time.